Okay, I am back here to let you know that it has turned out. I added the yeast yesterday, and as you can see, it's bubbling and it's doing its thing. See that? Yeah. Okay, so what happened was I had my mash tun, which is over here, and as you can see, it's kind of in pieces. You see the tube is sticking out here. I had a problem with this this batch, just simply because it got stuck inside this tun. What happened was it also fell apart on me with the temperature. As you can see now, there's a hole, and I got to fix that. So what I forgot or didn't have at the time I was making this batch is I didn't have rice hulls. And the rice hulls were supposed to be able to help filter that. Unfortunately, the slots in my mash tun got full of this mash and plugged itself right up. So I had to come up with a quick, easy solution. And I fortunately have also, I also make wine, and so I have the extraction tube here. So I just put that inside here and pulled it out and put it inside my inside here. And of course, you know, you're going to get a little bit of solids and whatever in with that as well. But it's pretty tough to see without without the light. So I'm going to try showing you here something. I'm going to grab my light here. I'm going to turn the light off here for a minute, and I'm going to show you how much it's settled out. It's pretty tough to show you with the lights on. Okay, lights out. Okay, as you can see, if we get close enough here, you see at the top, see that line? Okay, see that line? That there is, it's 19 liters, okay? And there's the line. That's the top of the beer. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. And then you notice it's cleared all the way down to here. See that? So basically, I've got that much cleared. So the Irish moss has actually pulled out all the liquid, all these particles, right down to that level, which means I have about 3 US gallons of sludge in the bottom of this beer, all because of my mash tun not being able to pull out that particulate. I'm going to turn the lights back on here. There we go. Lights back on. So basically, you definitely need your mash tun, because if you don't, you're going to have all that solid in there, and then you're really asking a lot of that Irish moss to pull that amount of particulate out to the bottom. So I'm going to have a lot of sludge on the bottom, probably about that much. Works out to be about 10 liters worth of crud, which I won't be able to use. But this being the first batch of an all grain, you kind of have to learn as you go. I follow the recipe to a T. I just didn't have rice hulls, and of course that makes a difference. So if you're going to try doing this yourself, make sure you have a mash tun that's made properly, and then use the right kind of filtration medium you want to use. In this case, because I'm doing gluten-free, it makes it more difficult, whereas you do barley, you can leave the husks on the barley, and of course you'll have a much better time of it. So that's what I learned on this go around. So as you can see, it's going to do this for about 3 days, and then I will be decanting that out into something that's going to be able to handle that amount of liquid, and hopefully it's going to be good. Time will tell. I'll be back at you with a sample taste when we're ready to roll. Thanks for watching.